how much should you actually spend on an Ego Super Composite Mower? Because some folks are happy with the cheaper options, but others swear by the pricier ones. It's a bit interesting. Let's sift through the options to find the best fit for you.
Product number 1, 21-inch blade for Ego mowers. So first up, we have the 21-inch blade for electric lawn mowers, model LM2101/LM2100. Priced at just $30.99, it caught my eye because it's a genuine Ego part. If you want a precise cutting experience for your lawn, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This blade is designed to enhance the cutting performance of your Ego mower. The 21-inch width means you can cover more ground, making your mowing sessions quicker. Plus, the high-quality steel construction provides durability and sharpness, ensuring a clean cut that promotes lawn health. Though there's no review data yet, with over 1,000 sold last month, it seems to be a popular choice among lawn care enthusiasts. Now, some people might complain that replacement blades can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, while it might seem inconvenient, keeping your mower sharp is crucial for maintaining a healthy lawn, so this is a necessary trade-off. This is perfect for you if you own an Ego mower and want an efficient cutting experience. Skip this one if you're looking for a universal blade that fits multiple brands, as this is specifically made for Ego models. For the price, you're getting a solid investment for your lawn care routine.
Product number 2, High Lift Bagging Blade Set. Next, we have the High Lift Bagging Blade Set, also from Ego, priced at $50.99. This caught my attention because it's designed to maximize bagging efficiency. If you want to keep your lawn tidy while maintaining its health, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this product is its compatibility with various Ego models, specifically designed for bagging clippings. The 21-inch size means you'll be able to pick up more debris in one pass, which is a huge time saver. The all-steel construction ensures excellent cutting performance, and it promotes lawn health by delivering a clean cut. With 800+ units sold in the past month, it's clear that many are opting for this. Some buyers might find the price a bit steep for a blade set, but I'll be real with you. If you care about your lawn's appearance and health, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you regularly bag your lawn clippings and want a reliable blade set. Skip this one if you're someone who prefers mulching instead, as this blade isn't suitable for that. For the performance you get, I think it's a solid choice.
Product number 3, 21-inch high-lift blade for electric lawnmowers, priced at $26.99. This caught my eye due to its specific design for bagging clippings. If you want to optimize your mower's performance, this is worth a serious look. The high-lift design enhances bagging efficiency, which is essential for keeping your lawn clean. The factory-sharpened steel blade provides excellent cutting performance, promoting lawn health by ensuring a clean and precise cut. It's specifically made for Ego mowers, so you know the compatibility is spot on. With 800+ sold last month, it's clear this blade is gaining traction. Now, some people have mentioned that it's not recommended for use with mulching plugs. Here's the thing, if you regularly bag your grass clippings, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve your mowing efficiency and have an Ego mower. Skip this one if you're into mulching your grass, as it's not designed for that. Considering the price, it's a worthwhile upgrade for better lawn care.
Product number 4, Durable Fabric Cover. Next up is the Ego CM001 Durable Fabric Cover, priced at $38.99. I found this interesting because it protects your mower from dust and debris. If you want to keep your equipment in top shape, this is worth a serious look. This cover is compatible with all Ego mower models, which means it's a practical choice for Ego owners. It's made from durable, weather-resistant fabric that shields your mower from the elements. This is crucial if you store your mower outside or want to keep it clean between uses. With over 200 sold last month, it's clear that many see the value in protecting their investment. I've seen some complaints about the fit being a bit loose on certain models, but honestly, as long as it protects from dirt and debris, I think it serves its purpose well enough. This is perfect for you if you want to extend the life of your mower and keep it clean. Skip this one if you have limited storage space, as it might be a bit bulky to store. For the price, it's a good investment in mower care.
Product number 5,
20-inch blade for Ego mowers. Finally, we have the 20-inch blade for electric lawnmowers, priced at $28.99. This one caught my attention because it offers a different size for those with smaller lawns. If you're looking for an efficient cutting option for your compact space, this is worth a serious look. Designed for Ego models, this blade provides a reliable cutting experience. The 20-inch width is perfect for navigating tighter spaces while still delivering a clean cut. Although it's not as popular as some of the other blades, with 200 plus sold recently, it's a solid choice for smaller lawns. Some users might find that the blade lacks the cutting power of larger models. Here's the thing, if you have a small yard, this size could be just what you need to maneuver easily. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller lawn and an Ego mower. Skip this one if you have a larger yard where a bigger blade might be necessary. For the price, it's decent for the performance you get.
So there you have it, the top 5 Ego Super Composite Mowers and accessories. From the efficient 21-inch blades to the protective cover, each product has something unique to offer. Whether you're bagging clippings or protecting your mower, there's a perfect fit for your needs here.